Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Revit tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change units from feet and inches to centimeters. Perfect if you're working on a metric project. Let's jump right in. Go to the Manage tab at the top of the screen. Click on Project Units. It's the little icon that looks like a ruler. In the Project Units window, find Length in the list. Click the value next to it. That opens the Format dialog. Now, change the units from feet to centimeters. You can also adjust rounding or the number of decimal places, depending on your preference. Once you're done, hit OK, and again OK to close. Boom, your project is now using centimeters. But wait.
NANI?!
What about those dimension lines still showing feet and inches? Here's how to fix that. Go to the Annotate tab, click on a dimension, and then choose Edit Type in the Properties panel. Scroll down to Units Format and click Edit. Uncheck Use Project Settings, then set the units to centimeters here as well. Hit OK, and you're all set.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
And that's it. You've just switched your Revit project from imperial to metric. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.